Hello friends, in the previous video I have dealt with three-dimensional concepts of tense, that is time, aspect and mood. In the present video I am going to deal with multiple choice questions on present tense. In English there are four kinds of present tense. The first one is simple present tense. Second one is present continuous tense. Third one is present perfect tense. And fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Here is the structure or form of four types of present tense. The first tense is a simple present tense, and in simple present tense we use the present form of a to be, that is am, is, are. At the same time in simple present tense we may use the basic verb, and at the same time we should add yes form to the basic verb with a third person singular. The next type of a present tense is a present continuous tense, and its structure is the present form of a to be, that is am, is, are, and verb in a ing form. The structure of a present perfect tense is have, has plus third form of a verb. It is also called as a past participle of the verb. The structure and form of a present perfect continuous tense is have, has plus been and the verb in a ing form. This is the structure and form of the present tense. Now we will see the MCQs based on simple present tense. The first MCQ based on simple present time, that is choose the correct form or structure of a simple present tense from the following options. A option is verb in the base form or verb in the yes form. B option is am, is, are plus verb in the ing form. C option is have, has plus verb in the third form or past participle form. And D option is have, has plus been plus verb in the ing form. The correct answer of a simple present tense is A option, verb in the base form or verb in the yes form. Here is one example. He is an English teacher. In this particular example, we have used the present form of a to be, that is am, is, are. Next example is I am an English teacher. They are English teachers. Means in all these examples here we have used the to be form of a present tense. Whenever we use the simple present tense with a third person, at that time verb is used in a yes form. Here is an example. He teaches English. In this sentence the verb is used in a yes form, means with a third person the verb needs yes form. So here is a teaches. So the correct answer is a verb in the base form or verb in the yes form. The next question is Ramesh reads newspaper every day is an example of a dash. A option is a general truth. B option is a habitual action. C option is referring to the past time, and D option is referring to the future time. The correct answer is B option, that is habitual action. In the present sentence, the sentence shows the habitual action of Ramesh. How Ramesh reads newspaper regularly or every day. So the correct answer is habitual action. Suppose here we take one example. I play football. In this example, here is the habitual activity. Okay, means with the help of a simple present tense, we can show the habitual activity or habitual action of the speaker. Here is the explanation regarding the simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express habitual actions or the actions that are placed regularly or routinely. The frequency adverbs like often, seldom, rarely, frequently, usually, normally, generally, every day, regularly, once in a week, twice in a month, etc. are used to express habitual actions. The next MCQ is based on simple present tense. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius is an example of dash. A option is a general truth or scientific truth. B option is a habitual action. C option is a referring to the past time. D option is a referring to the future time. And the correct answer is A option, general truth or scientific truth. Here is the various uses of a simple present tense. Means just as a simple present tense is used in a newspaper headline, just like a man enters space. This is the example of a newspaper headline. At the same time, simple present tense is used in a storytelling. Here is an example. Suddenly the window opens and a masked man enters. In this sentence, there is a simple present tense. So the correct answer is A option, general truth or scientific truth. The next MCQ is identify the use of simple present tense in the following sentence. King Ashoka looks at the soldiers wounded in the great war of Kalinga in 261 BCE. Option A is general truth or scientific truth. B option is habitual action. C option is referring to the past time. D option is referring to the future time. The correct answer is referring to the past time. Here is the explanation regarding to the referring to the past time. The simple present tense can be used to refer an event in the past as if it were happening now, the historic present as in a storytelling, newspaper headlines, historical summaries with the use of past time adverbs. The next MCQ is we leave Parbhani at 10 am tomorrow refers dash. A is general truth or scientific fact. B option is habitual action. C is past time and D is future time. And the correct answer is D option, future time. In this sentence, we people get a message regarding the future time. So the correct answer is D option, future time. Now we will turn towards the second kind of a present tense, that is a present continuous tense, or it is also called as a present progressive time. The first MCQ is what is the form or structure of present continuous or present progressive tense? A option is verb in the base form or verb in the S form. B option is am, is, are plus verb in the ing form. C option is have, has plus verb in the past participle form or verb in the third form. D option is have, has plus been plus verb in the ing form. The correct answer is B option, am, is, are plus verb in the ing form. Basically, present continuous tense shows the activity in a progress, in a process, in a continuity. Suppose we take here is one example. C is reading a newspaper upstairs. This sentence shows how C is reading a newspaper and her reading activity is in a progress. So B option is correct. That is am, is, are plus verb in the ing form. The next MCQ is identify the tense in the following sentence. The sentence is Gauri is waiting for the officer at the moment. A option is a simple present tense. B option is a present progressive tense. C option is a present perfect tense. And D option is a present perfect progressive tense. And the correct answer is a B option, present progressive tense. Means in this particular example we have the structure am, is, are plus verb in a ing form. Here is a auxiliary verb is and wait in the ing form, that is the waiting. So the correct answer is a present progressive tense. In addition, the time adverbs like now, at present, at the moment, etc. are commonly used in a present progressive tense. Here, in this particular example, the time adverb is at the moment. So, it shows present continuous time. The next MCQ is the verbs like love, hate, like, dislike, hope, wish, desire, want, etc. belong to dash. A option is verbs of appearance. B option is verbs of emotion. C option is verbs of perception or sense verbs. D option is verbs of thinking. And the correct answer is B option, verbs of emotion. Here is a list of verbs of emotion: love, hate, like, dislike, adore, loathe, desire, appreciate, want, need. So the correct answer is B option, verbs of emotion. The next MCQ is the verbs like see, hear, smell, touch, feel, taste, etc. belong to dash. A option is verbs of appearance. B option is verbs of emotion. C option is verbs of perception or sense. And D option is verbs of thinking. And the correct answer is C option, verbs of perception or sense. Here is a list of sense verbs, that is feel, hear, see, smell, sound, taste, touch, look. All these are examples of sense verbs or verbs of perception. So the correct answer is C option, verbs of perception or sense. The next MCQ is the verbs like have, own, possess, belong to, consist of, contain, etc. belong to. A option is verbs of appearance. B option is verbs of emotion. C option is verbs of perception or sense. And D option is verbs of possession. And the correct answer is D option, verbs of possession. Here is a list of verbs of possession, that is have, own, possess, pack, consist, involve, include, contain. All these are verbs of possession. So the correct answer is D option, verbs of possession. Then next question is what are stative verbs? A option is stative verbs are express a state rather than an action. B option is they refer to thoughts, senses, emotions, feelings, and possessions. C option is they are not usually used in continuous or progressive tenses, that is with the ing form. And D option is all of the above. The correct answer is D option, all of the above. Here is the explanation regarding the stative verbs. Stative verbs describe states. They refer to the way the things are, appearance, state of being. At the same time, stative verbs are never used in a continuous form. So, here the correct answer is D option, all of the above. The next question is identify more appropriate use of a present continuous tense in the following example. Here is a example. Neha is studying to become a banker. A option is something is happening now. B option is longer action, not at this moment but in a progress. C option is something will or will not happen in the near future. And D option is none of the above. The correct answer is B option, longer action, not at this moment but in a progress. In this example, Neha is studying to become a banker. So this sentence shows the longer action upon Neha, but this action is not completed. It is in a progress and it is not in a progress form at this moment. So here the present continuous tense is used to expresses longer actions not at this moment but in a progress. In such a way, here is another example. We are working on a new project. This statement, this example is also regarding to the longer action not at this moment but in a progress. Now we will see the MCQs based on present perfect tense. The first MCQ is what is the form or structure of present perfect tense? A option is a verb in the base form or verb in the yes form. B is am is are plus verb in the ing form. C option is have has plus verb in the third form or verb in the past participle form. D option is have has plus been plus verb in the ing form. The correct answer is C option, have has plus verb in the past participle form or verb in a third form. Here is one example. We have sung. In this statement, in this sentence, have is a auxiliary verb and it is in a present tense, and sung is a main verb and this particular verb is in a past participle form. Actually it's a basic verb is a sing, and here sung is a past participle of a main verb sing. The next MCQ is identify the use of present perfect tense. She has lost her wallets. A is unfinished action or continuative use. B is finished action or completed action. C option is multiple actions with different types, and D option is changes over time. The correct answer is B option, finished action or completed action. In the Present example, she has lost her wallets. This activity shows the completed action of losing her wallets. So the correct answer is B option, finished action, completed action. The next MCQ is identify the use of present perfect tense in the following sentence. We have lived in this house for 10 years. A option is unfinished action. B option is finished action or completed action. C option is multiple actions with a different types. And D option is changes over the time. And the correct answer is A option, unfinished action or continuative use. Here in this example, we people understand how all the members of this family living in that house for 10 years and their living is also in a progress. So the correct answer is A option, unfinished action. The next MCQ is identify tense used in the following sentence. I have seen that movie 5 times. A option is simple present tense. B option is present continuous tense. C option is present perfect tense. And D option is present perfect continuous tense. And the correct answer is C option, present perfect tense. Here is one example regarding the sentence regarding the present perfect tense. You have seen this movie. In this statement, we have a have and past participle of a verb, that is the seen. The main verb is the see. So here the correct answer is the C option, present perfect tense. The next example, next MCQ, find out the example of a present perfect tense from the following. A option is Ratesh completed his homework. B option is Jayshree is singing a song. C option is Ajay has broken the window. And D option is Akash has been finished his exam. The correct answer is C option, Ajay has broken the window. In this sentence, we have the structure of a present perfect tense, that is has plus past participle form of the main verb, that is the broke. So here the correct answer is C option, Ajay has broken the window. Now we will see some MCQs based on the last form of a present tense, that is present perfect progressive tense. The first MCQ is what is the form or structure of present perfect progressive tense? A option is a verb in the base form or verb in the yes form. B option is am, is, are plus verb in the ing form. C option is have, has plus verb in the past participle form or verb in a third form. D option is have, has plus been plus verb in the ing form. And the correct answer is D option, have, has plus been plus verb in the ing form. And the structure of a present perfect continuous tense is have, has plus been plus verb in a ing form. Here is one example. I have been working on this since March. In this particular sentence, we have the same structure, that is a have plus been plus verb in the ing form. The next MCQ based on present perfect continuous tense, fill in the blank using correct option. Here is example. Gautami dash in bracket learned piano since 2015. A option is learns, B option is learning, C option is has learned or learned, and D option is has been learning. And the correct answer is D option, has been learning. Basically, this statement is about present perfect progressive tense. So the correct option is D option, has been learning. The next MCQ is preposition since is used in a present perfect progressive tense for dash. A option is point of time, B option is period of time, C option is both A and B, and D option is none of the above. The correct answer is A, point of a time. Basically, since preposition is used to show specific point of time. Here is one example. I have been studying since 9 am. Here it shows the specific point in time, that is the 9 pm. The next example is Ali has lived in London since April. It shows here in this example, sin shows specific point of time. So the correct answer is A option, point of time. The next MCQ is preposition for is used in present perfect progressive tense for dash. A option is point of time, B option is period of time or duration of time, C option is both A and B, and D option is none of the above. And the correct answer is B option, point of time or duration of time. The preposition for is used to show point of time or duration of time. Suppose here I would like to give an example. I have been living in Japan for 4 years. Here the preposition for shows to duration of time, that is the 4 years. So the correct answer is B option, duration of time. Next MCQ is identify the tense used in the following sentence. Rohan has been traveling across the country for 10 years. A option is simple present tense, B option is present continuous tense, C option is present perfect tense, and D option is present perfect continuous tense. And the correct option is present perfect continuous tense. The given statement is an example of a present perfect continuous tense. For your better understanding, here is another example. She has been reading English for 2 hours. Here it is also an example of a present perfect progressive tense. In this example, we have a has plus been plus verb in a ing form. So the correct answer is D option, present perfect continuous tense. And this is the last but one slide, and it shows the review of present tense. The first form of present tense is a simple present tense, and you know that its structure is subject plus verb plus object. Means in simple present tense we use the present form of to be, that is am, is, are, or verb in a base form or verb in a yes form. So here is an example. I eat an apple. Here it is a basic verb. Then the next type of tense is present continuous tense, and its structure is the present form of to be, that is am, is, are, plus verb in a ing form. Here is an example. I am eating an apple. It is an example of a present continuous tense because in this example we have a am, is, are plus verb in a ing form. The third kind of tense is present perfect tense, and its structure is have, has plus verb in a third form or verb in a past participle form. Here is an example: I have eaten an apple. In this particular example, we have a have plus verb in a third form, that is a eaten. Eaten is a past participle of a base verb, that is a eat, and the last kind of a present tense, that is a present perfect continuous tense, and its form or structure is a have, has plus been plus verb in a ing form. Here is an example: I have been eating an apple. In this example, the structure is a have plus been plus verb in a ing form. So these are the four types of present tense, and here is the structure and form of all the four kinds of present tense with an example. With this, I would like to say thank you, and I will stop here.